Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to fourth International Conference on Applied Zoology 2021. I am Munmil Hussain, PhD scholar, Government College, University, Faisalabad. Today, I will discuss about presentation in fourth International Conference on Applied Zoology, title Exploring the Rheological Properties of Rapinos Island isolated from different cultivars of psyllium husk. And today my agenda is firstly I will discuss about the production section of psyllium husk, and then objectives and materials and methods used in whole work, and then describes results and discussion section, and finally at the end conclusion section must include Plantago vata psyllium husk, locally known as Ispavol, scientifically known as Plantago vata. It is a medicinal plant, common source of psyllium seed or psyllium husk. It is a total dietary fiber pest herb that is used to treat stomach-related diseases. Psyllium husk derived from the seeds of the Plantago vata. It is a fiber supplement that reduces constipation due to its excellent water solubility. Help to regulate high cholesterol, triglycerides, and blood sugar level. It also helps weight management and relieved mild diarrhea. Here is the Rabinos Island. It is a totally hemicellulose, mainly present in cell walls of different plants and cereals and husk. Psyllium husk contains dietary fibers, and Arabino's island, it is a totally psyllium husk is a totally dietary fiber, and Arabino's island, psyllium husk is the principal source of Arabino's island. As a dietary fiber having many health benefits, including antioxidant, anti-cancer, anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, anti-aging, and cardiovascular, cardioprotective, prebiotics, and antiviral effects. It has many functional and nutraceutical components like arabinoxylan and functional different phenolic compounds, ferulic acid and synergic acid, and also having many functional and rheological properties. And here is my objectives. To explore the nutritional composition of psyllium husk, and to isolate arabinoxylan from psyllium husk, and to prepare arabinoxylan in rich flour, and also explore their rheological properties. Here is my research design. Phase 1 explore the biochemical or nutritional profile of psyllium husk, and then extraction of arabinoxylan from psyllium husk, and then addition of arabinoxylan in flour, and finally explore the rheological properties of. Here is material methodology section. Two different varieties, Pakistani and Indian psyllium husk procured from local market of Faisalabad. Chemicals were procured from the local market of Faisalabad. 100A was procured from Ireland. And then here is the chemical analysis of psyllium husk. A biochemical analysis of psyllium husk from different varieties were analyzed for proximate analysis, especially moisture content, protein, fat, fiber, and the total dietary fiber, soluble dietary fiber, and insoluble dietary fiber were determined. And extraction of arabinoxylin, here is the method of enzymatic method of extraction method. Spagol husk, first of in first step, take spagol sample and then heat treatment 130 temperature for 19 minutes by using hot air oven, and then remove of solubles by using centrifuge at the conditions of 3200 G and for 10 minutes, and then the enzymatic treatments was performed by using PBS buffer solution, uh, and the by using and also used and different and enzyme used in this process is protease, mm, protease enzyme and amylase enzymes, and also use glucosidase enzyme, and then washing and remove starches, proteins and sugars, and finally extract arabinoxylin by using centrifuge. Here is the treatment plan: T0, T1, T2, T3, and T4. Here is the treatment plan based on the arabinoxylin addition in flow. T0 100% flour used, and T1 5% arabinoxylin and 95% wheat flour, and T2 10% arabinoxylin and 90% wheat flour, T3 5% arabinoxylin Indian varieties and 95% wheat flour, T4 10% arabinoxylin Indian varieties and 90% wheat flour. Rheological properties, phrenograph and mixographic studies, dough properties of different wheat flour blend containing arabinoxylin in different concentration was determined by using phrenograph. And mixography graphic studies was performed by using a mixograph. And statistical design, the data of each parameter was subjected to statistical design to determine the significance, least significance, and one factorial analysis was performed. Here is the results of my research. Biochemical composition of different two varieties, Pakistan and Indian varieties of cesium husk. Here is the Pakistani varieties has higher moisture content 5.45% and higher ash content present in Indian variety 3.9, and crude protein present in Indian varieties 3.86, and fat is 1.42 present in Pakistani varieties, and fiber content in Indian varieties is higher than Pakistani varieties 17.20%, and NF is 63.4% content in Pakistani varieties. And the total dietary fibers is higher in Indian varieties 52.5%, then 49.5% Pakistani varieties, and soluble dietary fiber content higher in Indian variety 3.48, and insoluble dietary fiber content in Indian varieties is higher 49.62% by following Pakistani varieties. And here is arabinoxylin content. Pakistani varieties 34.52%, but Indian varieties has higher arabinoxylin content 38.92%. Here is the phrenographic results. Phrenograph water absorption. Here is water absorption capacity. 60 treatment plant T0 100% wheat flour 62.38% water absorption, but after the addition of 5% arabinoxylin Pakistani variety 65.2%, and water absorption capacity increased by adding arabinoxylin, and after 10% addition and the water absorption is 69.61%. And then the same trends are present in Indian variety, 5%, 66 and 34, and T4 671 to 83%. Here is the water absorption increased due to arabinoxylin, because previous studies or previous research showed that arabinoxylin has higher water absorption capacity than wheat flour and other fibers. It has more than 80 to 11% water absorbed to actual weight to for and the dough development time was decreased after the addition of arabinoxylin, dough stability time, and the MTI and as results. There is mixographic results. The mixing time is important in industrial scale. Here is the table showed that the results showed the mixing time of T control is 60.31, and then the T1 time reduced 6.02, and after 10% addition 5.83, and then Indian varieties showed the less time 5.22%. Conclusions, psyllium husk is an excellent source of dietary fiber, especially arabinoxylans and other beneficial complexes. Arabinoxylin of psyllium husk tend to have positive effect on rheological properties of flour, farino, and mixograph. Especially rheological properties, psyllium husk, arabinoxylin increase the water absorption capacity. It is beneficial for industrial scale because it has absorbed more water, and also effect on the final product quality, like different baking products like bread. Recommendations. Psyllium husk hold potential for helping the future generation to meet their nutritional needs. Psyllium husk arabinoxylin contains several beneficial components like dietary fibers, arabinoxylin that should be added as a functional food, as a very in many functional food products tend to prevent and cure various chronic amendment, and consumer are learning more and more word to the natural remedies. Albinoxylin should be added to the bakery goods for the production of functional food. Thanks for your attention.